Sir, with respect to NDRF is concerned, our teams are equipped with floodwater rescue. We are also equipped with a collapse structure search and rescue because due to continuous rainfall, old buildings, they may get collapsed. So in order to identify a live victim buried under a rubble, we are having specially trained sniffer dogs. So our dogs are deployed in Pondicherry, our dogs are deployed in Pudukkottai, our dogs are deployed in the GCC area and in Viluppuram district also. Our teams are well prepared and well equipped with all kinds of floodwater related rescue equipments, and with respect to collapse structure also our teams are well prepared.
What about Chennai, sir? What sort of preparation having, especially in Chennai, and what sort of help you getting from the state body?
Sir, with respect to Chennai is concerned, the common thing is primarily urban flooding. So for specifically to address the challenges in Chennai, 5 teams were airlifted from Baroda and 5 teams are in the greater Chennai area. They are in standby. So as and when the cyclone progresses towards the north, the northern districts gets rainfall and obviously the southern districts get less amount of rainfall, and in consultation with the State Emergency Operations Center, with the state and district administration, we can mobilize the teams from the southern district to Chennai. So that thing is always in, that thing is always possible.
What are the challenges you are facing, sir?
Currently, sir, as such, NDRF has not performed any major ops now. So, as such, there is whenever there is any immediate threat to life, our team gets deployed. So, as far as the teams that are deployed, we have not faced any kind of such operations.
What has been anticipated, sir?
Anticipated, again, it again depends upon the weather report which is given by the IMD, which is again depends upon the data which we get from the satellite interpretation.
जैसे कि मैं सो रहा हूँ तो पिताजी को जगाना है मुझे, तो वो डायरेक्ट उठाने के बजाय, और हिंसा की परंपरा मेरे यहाँ नहीं थी सौभाग्य से, तो वो क्या करते थे कि उस कमरे में आ जाएंगे या बाहर से गुजरेंगे और चौपाई बोलेंगे, प्रात काल उठ गए रघुनाथा मात पिता गुरु नावई माता। कभी कभी मैं गुस्से में उठ करके अरे पापा चरण स्पर्श किया और सो गया, मैंने कहा अब मत उठाना।